It is called peak season for porch pirates.
Every day now, people who live in Central Ohio are posting videos from doorbell cameras showing package thieves making off with their goods. And those doorbell cameras and in-home security cameras continue to grow in popularity. NBC4 reporter Ted Hart says experts say users should make sure that they understand those systems come with some risks, some rewards, and some privacy. Ted.
Yeah, the Ring doorbell and in-home camera systems that connect to your cell phone are again hot sellers this holiday season. But as much as people may want them for their own protection, there are others who have different motives and the technical expertise to exploit your connections. The video we see most often from doorbell cameras is of package thieves. But doorbell cameras can capture all kinds of activity, and now hundreds of police agencies, including Columbus, have formed partnerships with Ring to get access.
It is very useful for our detectives. If they have a crime in an area, they can say, does anybody have video in this area of town that we might be able to use?
Residents with Ring doorbell cameras can opt in or opt out, and police cannot access your video without your permission or a subpoena. But cybersecurity expert Matt Curtin says every time we connect something to the internet, we open an avenue for access.
The result is that, we are literally a nation that is bugging itself.
The risk of that has been heightened in recent days with multiple reports of in-home Ring camera systems being hacked.
Who is that?
I'm your best friend. I'm Santa Claus.
The hackers have frightened children and adults, and in some cases demanded a Bitcoin ransom. Curtin says we've replaced professionally installed and monitored security systems with do-it-yourself technology connected to the internet. And all of that comes with risks and consequences.
The question is going to be, do you knowingly accept the risks? Are you going in with eyes open? The fact is that stuff can be turned against you just as well as it can be used in your defense.
And Ring has said that its own security systems were not breached in these recent hacks. Instead, the company is encouraging customers to make sure that they are using strong and unique passwords, as well as the two-factor authentication system for signing into their accounts. Local for you and live in Clintonville, Ted Hart, NBC4.
All right, Ted, thank you.